Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can update your Apple Watch. So first start by going into the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. It needs to be the iPhone that you have connected the Apple Watch to. So only that iPhone can be used to update your Apple Watch. So in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, then go into General and then Software Update. As you can see there, Software Update. Here it checks for if there is an update that you can install. And as you can see here, I have watchOS 7.2 to update. It takes 286 megabytes, as you can see there. And down here, you see how you should do to update your Apple Watch. So it says to install the update, make sure Apple Watch is on its charger. So you need to put it on your charger, and then it needs to be in range of your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi. That means that you need to have your iPhone on the same home network as you have the Apple Watch connected to, so the same Wi-Fi network, and it needs to be in range of the Apple Watch, so please have it at least in the same room or something. And the installation starts when the Apple Watch is charged to at least 50% when it's on the charger. And do not restart or remove it from the charger until the update completes. So put the Apple Watch on the charger and then click on install. Now you need to have your PIN code ready, like so. Now it says verifying the update, so it verifies that your Apple Watch is allowed to be updated, and it verifies the right version of the update and so on. And when that is done, it starts to download the new update, and then it installs it on your Apple Watch. So now just be patient until the update is ready on your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch starts over, and when it's ready you can see that you are back to the Apple Watch and you can log in and so on with your PIN code and all that. It's very easy to update actually, so just put it on your charger and then have the iPhone on the same network and then just click install and wait. Okay, bye.